After working in IBM for 7.5 years, I had to take a break because of my personal priorities. And then when I had to restart the career with 4-year break, there was a lot of difficulty in getting placed because of the career gap. When I joined DXC, I wanted to upskill myself with latest technology and trends, and I was looking for different arenas which would make that possible. I looked into different options like self-study, but then self-learning without a direction, without a curriculum wasn't helping. That's why I've enrolled with a dual degree program, which is PG Diploma with IIIT Bangalore and MSc with LJMU. IIIT Bangalore itself is reputed in the industry and offers much of courses, so I thought this is the best bet and it will help me in long term. One thing that made me held to MSc LJMU is that it is proper degree, proper postgraduate degree, and it is recognized for PhD. In further, if I'll have to pursue PhD, it is recognized as proper postgraduate degree. In IT industry, there is never enough with learning. You'll always have to upskill yourself with different technologies and latest trends in order to stay up to the mark with the industry. So when you ask that if it would be redundant for experienced professionals, I would say it wouldn't be much of redundancy rather than revision. The course of upGrad is designed in such a way that both beginners and experienced professionals can make advantage out of it. My MSc project, it is based on the facial expression recognition. So based on a picture, it categorizes the expression into angry, sad, fear, whatever it is. Why I chose this project is equipment, camera equipment for color images is costlier rather than the gray or black and white. So if we go for lesser infrastructure, will it differ in the expression recognition, be it the finding out the face or finding the features? And there were difficulties to me when I was not able to understand the concepts at first, or when I needed little more advice or little more mentorship from the industry experts. And during those times, upGrad has readily agreed to arrange one-on-one sessions or group discussions within the students with an student mentor in place and an industry expert too on the call. When there were many people who were not understanding the concepts, they were ready to arrange a live session so that all the batches benefited from the same. And at the end of the day, when I see the certificate and when I see that I have finally done the MSc and I'm an MSc holder now, it brings a smile to my face and I'm happy that I'm able to do it.